In the previous video, I created this dunning procedure and I promised you I will get back to the selection criteria. So this criteria determines which customer, invoices, and invoice groups can be assigned a specific dunning procedure. The dunning selection criteria for automatic assignments work different ways depending on the type of object it applies to. For new invoices, dunning procedures are assigned based on the subsidiary, department, location, class, safe search, and procedure priority. For new customers, the assignment is based on subsidiary, saved search, and procedure priority. For new invoice groups, dunning procedures are assigned based on subsidiary, saved search, and dunning priority. As you can see, because these dunning procedures applies to invoices, I cannot select departments, locations, and classes. But if I had an invoice, like on this other tab that I have, then you can see I can select them. So basically the way you do is that first you select the subsidiary. If you're using one word, you select the subsidiaries to which this procedure should apply. At least one subsidiary must be selected. The departments, locations, and class, obviously classes, the feature needs to be enabled, they need to be on the right type of records. And you need to make sure that the invoice you're assigning this procedure to have this classification set on the main invoice record, not just individual line items. The dunning procedure uses the classifications from the main invoice record for its criteria. You can also use saved searches. That's absolutely optional. You also need to have saved searches set up for dunning to the relevant criteria. If you choose customer in the applies to fields that we showed earlier, the saved search customer dropdown will be enabled, otherwise it will be the invoice one, otherwise for the last option, the invoice group. So you just choose the one that corresponds to what you need to do. So that's as simple. Play with it, try different options, click around, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.